Welcome, inform me is nothing phone 3, and in this video I will tell you what to do if your fingerprint scanner doesn't recognize your fingerprint properly. In such case, you'll have to set up a new fingerprint for your device. You can do this by opening settings, then going into the security and privacy section, then device unlock, fingerprints, confirm, remove previous fingerprint models if you have some on your device, and then click add fingerprint to set up a new fingerprint for your device. Now be aware that if you're using a screen protector on your phone, it may affect the way that your fingerprint sensor recognizes your fingerprint. So please make sure that you either use an original Nothing phone screen protector or at least a decent replacement, because cheap screen protectors unfortunately sometimes affect the way that phone reads fingerprints. Now, in order to ensure the best experience, let's wipe the surface of the sensor using a dry towel. Just wipe it carefully in order to make it clean and smooth so that it reads our fingerprint properly. Let's try again. Okay, click setup, then place your fingerprint onto the scanner. Lift and hold again, carefully using different parts of your finger. Now place the edges, and when the fingerprint is added, click done. And before we continue, let's go back into the settings, then into the system, then select system updates and check if your device has any updates to install. As you can see, my phone is up to date, but if you have some updates to install, then also make sure that you do that, because this also affects the way that the phone reads the fingerprint. And now, before we proceed, let's press power button and volume up key at the same time and select restart in order to make sure that all the changes applied. And now let's check how the fingerprint feature works now. And as you can see, it went pretty smoothly for me, and I hope that it did for you too. And in case this video helps you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.